Hey, peace family, what's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today. If you don't know who I am, I talk a lot about business credit, but today I'm talking about making money online. So if you're interested in that, please share, like, subscribe. All right, let's get to it. Look, I talked about this app before, but I'm about to beat y'all in the head with all this information, man. Y'all, it's gonna sound like a broken record. PayPal money, PayPal money, PayPal money. Make money online. Let me tell you, what's happening right now is crazy. But let me tell you, you can take advantage of it because people are sitting at home and they looking for ways. They might be getting laid off their jobs, or you might be one of these people like, dang, I ain't got to work. Now I put you in the mindset of you need to be creating for yourself. You need to be growing your own food. You need to be creating streams of income. You need to be putting money into assets and stuff to where you can stand to the best of your ability on your own and holding your own with your whole family, not putting all that we need to have business relationships, but not putting all that on somebody else. It's your responsibility. It ain't no other business and responsibility to employ you. It's your responsibility to make something of yourself. You know what I mean? Create for yourself. You hire the employees if that's what you want to do. You see what I'm saying? You put yourself in that position to do that. Anyway, let's get into this app right here. And I'm going to just give these apps to you one by one. This video, I'm particularly be talking about Dodge. And what is significant about this app is you can make cashback rewards on your purchase, when you spending. You also get great rewards on hotels, and you get money just from referring people. PayPal money. All right, let's get it. So let's go click into the apps. You can see right here, invite friends, get $5. Now I'm gonna tell you right now, this is cool, but I'm gonna tell you when they run their specials on the holidays and they got $10 a referral, $12 a referral, $15 a referral, that's when it adds up. And you need to be on that thing, okay? So let me just show you a little bit about what it is real quick. So you can see right here, Uber, Apple Music, SiriusXM, ESPN, Instacart, Old Navy, Harvey's, Sam's Club, Macy's, Target, Nike. Some of these places you may shop at already, okay? So you can get the Darden gift cards with like Red Lobster and Olive Garden. You can do all of that. Okay, you got Buffalo Wild Wings, you get 5% cash back. So if you're eating at these places anyway, you just making cash back. I'm gonna show you how it works right here. So right here, if you add a card, that's when it actually counts. And then, you get $1 for each card that you add. And then you have to be over like $25 to cash out. But that's fine because you're going to be getting people to actually refer anyway. And you're going to be getting money just for actually, using the rewards. So say if you want to book a hotel. So say if I want to book a hotel in New Orleans, which I know traveling, I don't know, but I'm just saying that some people are still traveling out right now. So if you actually go right here, $30 bonus cash back on all bookings. So you're getting a $30 bonus on cash back booking through any of these places that you can actually book a room at. And now you see this right here, it says $12.10 total cash back. So you can get $12.10 plus the $30. So you already looking at $40 cash back. So just by using this for booking a trip, booking a hotel, you already be able to cash out your rewards. Now you can actually share this information with people, and then you can share this information with the Make Money Online people. Now I'm getting off track, but I'm gonna get right back on track. If you're somebody who actually is a travel agent or something, then you can promote this app along with your services and say, hey, check this app out. I actually use this app sometimes. Or say you may have traveling blog because the agent might be stepping on toes. But I would say, hey, you actually use this to book some rooms too. So maybe I'll book your flight, but I found out this will, save you some money. So I don't know. I would make a YouTube video on it or some content on it. And you'll still be making either way by giving people information they can use to book this flight, or you can actually book through me. So anyway, so you link the cards, you can make money at JCPenney, Walmart, all these places, and anytime you spend the money on that card, they'll give you cash back automatically. And you just go here and you check out. Now, when you want to check out, like I said, you got to go up here, and then it says available to transfer. You go to transfer, you got to have $25. But I put a link to one of my older videos to where it lets you choose if you want to actually direct deposit or you want to drop it in PayPal. That's really on you. But this free game, all you got to do is promote it, and then you can see all these referrals I got right here. I've cashed out, so you can see back, boom, boom, boom. So I linked the card, and then I got 10-cent cash back when I went and spent some money. Then I got $5 here, Pending referrals, $15 here. That's when I start promoting for real. $15, $15, $15, $15, $15, $15. That $15 add up. So I'm just saying, even if it's $5 right now, you can still make money. Build some traction. There's all types of programs like this. I'm just sharing one with you. Free PayPal money, easy money. People make money when they spend money. You might as well be saving money anyway. So check out Dodge. There'll be a link below. And if you like these videos, you already know I'm gonna drop some more for you. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.